Hi, my name is Patricia, and in each short video, I break down one business analysis technique at a time in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Picture this. You're looking at a business that keeps launching new features, but none of them really hit the mark. Teams are flat out, funding is stretched, and everyone's asking, where should we actually focus? Business capability analysis steps in right here. It helps you pull back from the noise and see what the organization can truly do. Not what it wishes it could do, but what it can realistically deliver. Hi, my name is Patricia, and in each short video, I'm going to break down one business analysis technique at a time. Today, we're exploring business capability analysis. This technique breaks down an organization's abilities into clear, structured capabilities so leaders can prioritize investment, fix weak spots, and make informed decisions. Here's how it all fits together. Let's look into it. Why does business capability analysis matter? Here's why it matters. It identifies what the business must be good at. This helps us call out the core abilities that directly support strategy. It means we can confidently say, these capabilities matter the most, so let's invest here. Highlights strengths and weaknesses. When you assess the maturity of each capability, it becomes clear which areas are performing well and which ones need uplifting. This supports more grounded decision-making. Aligns initiatives with real business needs. We avoid chasing trends and instead focus on improvements that actually move the needle for the organization. Supports investment and prioritization. By mapping capabilities objectively, it becomes easier for stakeholders to agree on where to place funding, effort, or resources. In short, business capability analysis matters because it gives leaders clarity. It separates strategic needs from wishful thinking. Why does this technique work so well? It focuses on what, not how. This gives us a stable lens. Processes change, systems change, teams change. Capabilities stay consistent, making them reliable anchors for analysis. It reduces bias and opinion-based decisions. Capabilities are defined neutrally. They avoid departmental turf wars and help the business see the big picture. It enables strategic conversations. When decisions are made at the capability level, stakeholders talk about outcomes rather than tools or systems. This technique works because it simplifies complexity and grounds discussions in what the business must deliver to meet strategy. When should we actually use business capability analysis? Let's look at the key situations. When defining or reviewing business strategy, use it to validate whether the business has the right abilities to deliver its goals. When prioritizing initiatives, capabilities help compare which initiatives support the most important areas. When assessing current state performance, if leaders want to know what's working and what needs attention, capability maturity analysis becomes invaluable. When planning transformation or uplift programs, capabilities help ensure investments uplift the right areas in a structured way. Each of these moments benefits from a technique that shines a light on how prepared the business is to deliver on its ambitions. How do we actually apply this technique in real projects? Step 1. Identify and define capabilities. Start by listing what the business needs to do. Keep the definition simple and system agnostic. This is about pure business ability. Step 2. Group capabilities into domains. Cluster them into logical areas such as customer, finance, operations, or technology. This structure helps leaders understand the landscape. Step 3. Assess capability performance or maturity. Look at how well each capability is performing today. This is where evidence and stakeholder input are essential. Step 4. Prioritize capabilities for improvement. Once maturity and strategic value are clear, you can recommend where investments should focus. Step 5. Link capabilities to initiatives. Finally, map initiatives back to the capabilities they uplift. This ensures alignment and traceability. This approach keeps your analysis structured, repeatable, and aligned with Babok principles. Let's walk through an example. Imagine we're working with a mid-sized retail company. One of their strategic goals is to improve customer experience. We start by identifying key capabilities. For example, customer insights, order fulfillment, and product management. We assess each capability. Customer insights is at a low maturity level. They have data, but no consistent method to analyze or use it. Order fulfillment sits at a moderate level. The process works, but it isn't efficient. Product management is strong, well supported by experienced teams. From here, we prioritize uplifting customer insights first because it directly supports the strategy. Then we map initiatives, like investing in a customer analytics tool and standardizing the reporting framework. This example shows how capabilities translate strategy into clear, actionable investment decisions. Here are a few tips to keep your capability analysis sharp. Keep capability names simple and consistent. Explain them in plain English so stakeholders understand immediately. Use a maturity scale that everyone agrees on. This avoids debates during assessment sessions. Link everything back to strategy. If the capability doesn't support strategy, it shouldn't be prioritized. Share visuals early. Capability maps are meant to be seen, discussed, and reshaped with stakeholders. Business capability analysis helps you cut through noise and guide leaders toward the decisions that matter. When done well, it connects strategy to action and gives a realistic view of where the organization stands. If you found this helpful, stick around. Our next technique is Business Model Canvas. See you then.